Hello everyone, I hope all of you are doing well. This video is basically focused on a request of one of my subscribers. He wanted me to show how we can georefer a cadastral map or villages maps, or you can say any kind of map. In this video, I'll show how we can georefer a raster map which is in the format of an image, how we can georefer it using a map which is already on the coordinates. So it's an easy process. There are several different softwares we can use by such as to do it by such as the ArcGIS Pro, ArcMap, and Ardas Imagine, or even Global Mapper. But in my opinion, due to the open source of QGIS and its easiness, it's way better to georefer in QGIS. So in this video, I'll see how we can do that. First, we have to open a map. Now, if you don't already have a map, I will show you. You can have to click on plugins, click on manage and install. After clicking on it, you'll open this window. Try to search for next GIS. So they provide different kind of plugins. You can check all of them out and check their website as well. uh, but for this video, we're gonna use the quickmapservices. After installing it, I have already downloaded and installed it. They'll automatically install it on the QGIS. Then after that, you simply have to click on web up at this menu, then select quick map services. You can use different maps, but for the sake of this video, I'm going to use the Google road map. Now, after having the map, we are currently at Lahore, the map of Lahore city, and I have already downloaded this master plan of Lahore division, which is in the format of an image, and I will show you how we can georefer this image using landmarks. Now, to georefer, we'll click on the layer tab, select georeferencer. When we click it, it'll open this window. Now you can see here at layers, I only have the Google road, which is the maps. And now I'm going to click on open raster. So you'll navigate a point where you have the image. The map I'm going to use is Master Plan of Lahore Division 2050. You can find it out on this website. I'll give its link in the description as well. So we're going to use this image for this video, but you can enter coordinates manually as well. Now, for accuracy, you must give at least 3 points of several landmarks, and I will suggest that uh, you must give it in a particular direction. For instance, in a clockwise direction or anti-clockwise direction. In that way, your map will not be distorted. In some of my experiences, whenever you irregularly give several points, for instance 5 to 6 points in irregular manner, your map can sometimes be distorted. So we have to be careful about that. Now, in this scenario, you may have different kind of maps, and old maps or new maps, or whatever in your case will be. Just try to point out as much accurately as you can the landmarks which will help you in both of the maps. Now, in this case, we see there this Lahore ring road is a particular very great landmark. Now I'm going to use this, and I'll give at least 3 to 4 points on both maps. For instance, first we'll select this point. Now I'm left clicking this. Here we go. Now we can give X and Y manually by just inserting our coordinates or in any of our required projection system or geographic system, whichever you are using. Then but for that, but I am going to use the map canvas. Let's click on map canvas. Now here is the map which is on coordinates, and I have loaded it from quickmapservices. I'm gonna select this junction first. We'll click OK. There we have 1 point. Now I'm going to use this junction. It's quite prominent. Let's click here, go to map canvas, and if I'm not wrong, then it was this one. Let's select this, then again click OK. Now we have 1 point here, second point here, and let's select the third point somewhere around here. Yeah, this is a quite prominent, so I'm gonna select this, and then click on from map canvas, and it was this point if I'm not wrong. Yeah, then click OK. Now we have 1 2 3. Now let's give it one more for the sake of accuracy. Let's select this river bank, or we can use this junction as well. Let's use this junction, it will be more accurate. Let's select this, click on map canvas. uh, it was, so if you forget like I do in this case, you can simply click on escape. There we have, and you can click on cancel, so it will basically undo all of this. So this road basically does not exist in the condition it's shown here, as this is a future planning. So we are gonna use these some other landmarks. For instance, we can use um, this junction. Let's use this one. Here we have from map, and it was around here. This, let's use this. Click OK. Yes, it was this one. Now after giving our coordinates and GCP points, now we are going to give our file an output. For that, you have to click on this golden gear or transformation settings. Click on it. For the best result, try to select polynomial 1. You can use linear as well, or you can try out others as well, but in my experience, polynomial 1 is the best one. Now we'll select a output file. Let's select Lahore TIFF georef, and try to uncheck the set target resolution, because it sometimes give error in some cases. So if you have an error, try to uncheck this. Now after all of these settings are set, let's click on OK, and then simply click on start georeferencing. Here we have our georeferencing. We can simply close this. We can save GCP points for further use in the future, but for now I'll just discard it. Now here we have our map georef. Now let's check our accuracy. Now in this case, I think the accuracy is very much great. Yeah, here we have our landmarks at place, our roads are still at place. We can yeah, it's pretty much accurate. We can also change its transparency to see our results. Let's take it to around 40%. Here we can see our map is pretty much accurate. There we have it. So this is how we can georef in ArcGIS, QGIS. You can do it in ArcMap. The process is almost similar, but a little bit different name of tools and a little bit difference in their use, but they are quite good as well. But I use QGIS for georeferencing. It's way better in my opinion. So I hope the friend who asked me, or the subscriber who asked to show how we can georef them, will find it helpful, and all the other guys as well. And I hope this video will be helpful for all of you. See you in the next one. Goodbye.